Hello everyone, good evening all of you. So it's the month of August and it's time for some action. And action for what? Action for your GATE General Aptitude Test in Engineering Examination 2024. What we will be dealing with? We will be dealing with XHC5. So this is your official website gate2024.iisc.ac.in, and we have some information for all of you. That is, the online registration will start for gate 2024 from 24th of August 2023. Alright, from 2023 24th of August the online registration application form will be started. So all of you who will be appearing for XHC5, that is psychology, can start their journey and fill their form. Along with that, we have some more information that is available to us, and these are like important dates related to gate 2024. All dates are liable to change, they will change, but the percentage, the probability of changing is quite less as compared to other examinations. So online application will start from last week of August, that we already know. It is 24th of August when online application process will start on this website. So you can go here, log in on that website and do your registration. After that, closing date of regular online registration. So what will be the last date for this application process? It will be Friday 29th of September. So almost 1 month you are getting for this form filling. Closing date of extended online registration. So if somewhat it is missed, it is 13th October 2023. And then modifications, if there are something modifications in your application form, so it can be done from 7th to 11th of November 2023. Alright, after that, availability of gate admit cards for download. So your admit cards will be available from 3rd January 2024. Alright, so in the new year you will be getting your admit cards for the form you will be filling in this August or September time period. Alright, then the date for examinations, gate 202 for examinations will be held on 3, 4, 10, 11 February 2024. Alright, so these mark these dates: 3rd of February, 4th of February, 10th and 11th of February will be the examinations held for gate 2024. Then moving forward, it is mentioned over here, your response sheet or response will be available in the application portal from 16th of February 2024, that is next year. And then your answer keys will be available on Wednesday 21st of February, approximately after 5 days, on the same website. Submission of challenges, if you have something, candidates on answer keys, that can be done from 22nd to 25th of February 2024. Then announcement of results for GATE 2024, the D-Day will be on 16th of March 2024. And after that you can download your scorecards after 23rd of March 2024. So this is something like sort of a blueprint for your GATE 2024 journey, GATE 2024 preparation. So you can start preparing now, or if you are preparing from last year, maybe. So this is something which you should remind yourself of these dates. 3rd, 4th, the February month will be important for your GATE examinations, and January 3rd you will be getting your admit cards. So after admit card, there is complete 1 month you will be having for your preparation. So revise well, study well, and this is like a timeline for your GATE 2024 session, which you all will be waiting since long. Apart from that, keep preparing. So we will be updating all those things when the online application will start from 24th of August. So if you have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe it. And we will be posting some videos related to your GATE preparation. We will be discussing the syllabus, which is same to same approximately as your UGC NET syllabi. Right, UGC NET syllabus almost it gets synced. So whatever books you are having, start reading them, start revising them, and February 3rd, 4th, 11th, 12th is the date for your GATE 2024 examinations, and your exam application starts from 24th of August. Alright, okay. See you all in the next video. I hope it helps. Thank you and have a nice day. Do like the video, share with your friends of GATE psychology. Thank you.